Now, let's come to the question answers of this chapter. Page number 46. Answer the following questions. First question is, give two ways in which soil is important for plants. So we have already read what are the two uses of soil. First is use is soil helps plants to grow, as roots they get fixed in the soil. And second use of soil is soil provides water and nutrients to the plants. Next, explain how soil is formed from rocks. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks. Rocks they break down with the help of the sun's heat, rain and wind. It takes thousands of years to break down the rocks, and then the rocks they change into the soil. Name four things that soil contains, as we have already read. Which are the main four things that soil contains? Clay, sand, pebbles and humus. What happens when we heat some garden soil in a covered container? When some garden soil it is heated in a covered container, then the water droplets they are formed on the lid of the container, and this shows that soil contains water. Give any two uses of soil. The same thing. Two uses are plants they grow very well in the soil. Soil provides water and nutrients to the plants. And second use is soil is a home to many animals like earthworms, beetles, ants and snails. They live in the soil. So this was all about question answers. Now let's discuss the fill in the blanks, page number 44. Dash provides water and nutrients to the plants. As we are reading chapter soil only, so they are talking about soil. The soil provides water and nutrients to the plants. Soil is formed by the breakdown of rocks. The color of the soil, it differs from place to place. It doesn't remain same on different places. The dash in the soil turns into dash when heated. The water in the soil turns into water vapors when heated. When water is poured over soil kept in a jar, dash bubbles start forming. Which bubbles? Air bubbles start forming. This shows that soil contains air. Then come to choose the correct options. Which of these do plants need to grow? Air and water, light, soil, all of these. So all these three things they are needed for the growth of the plants. So answer is all of these. Which of these helps rocks to break down? Sun, rain, wind, all of these. So all three things they are required for the breaking down of rocks. Answer is all of these. Which of these does soil contain? Humus, sand and clay, pebbles, all of these. Again all of these, as everything is present in soil. Which of these is not true about humus? It is formed from dead remains of only animals. Yes, it is not true, because humus is formed from dead remains of both plants and animals. It makes soil fertile. It is correct. It gives nutrients to the plants. It is also correct. It holds the water. That is also correct. Which of these animals live in soil? Earthworms and beetles, ants and termites, owls and parrots, both A and B. Earthworms, yes. Beetles, yes. Ants, yes. Termites, yes. Owls, no. Parrots, no. Answer is D, that is both A and B. Earthworms also live. Beetles, ants and termites, they all four they live in the soil. Which of these is the grainy part of soil? Clay, sand, humus or pebbles? Sand is the grainy part. How long does it take to form a small amount of soil? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, thousands of years. Answer is thousands of years. Which of these animals do not live in soil? Beetles, snails, fish or ants? We know all live in soil except a fish that lives in water. Then match the following. Roots fixes plants to the soil. Soil, earthworms and leeches. Humus, dead remains of plants and animals. Clay, very fine pieces of rock. And manure, it makes the soil fertile. Next comes give one word. The top layer of the earth where plants grow. We know that is the soil. Part of soil that is made up of dead remains of plants and animals. That is humus. Crops grow well in this type of soil. That is fertile soil. Things added by farmers to make soil fertile. What is added by the farmers to make soil fertile? That is manure. That is made from cow dung. Next is write two examples. Soil provides these two plants. क्या क्या मिलता है हमें soil से plants को? First is water and second one is nutrients. Colors of the soil, any two colors, red, black, blue, brown, you can write. Things that soil contains. Soil contains humus, pebbles, clay, sand, that are the things. Animals that live in soil, any two animals, write earthworm, ants, beetles, or snails. Any two you can write. So this is all about chapter number 4. Go through this chapter, it will be on your tips. You will not have any problem now if you are going to revise this after seeing this video. So next chapter we will revise in the next video. So bete, that the chapters we are revising, go through them and be prepared with them, because revision test they are coming near, so that you don't have problem in attempting questions related to these chapters. Thank you and have a nice day.